Welcome to another video. So let's go straight to the video. 1/2 cup of rice powder, 1/2 cup of flour, an egg, 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix 1 cup of milk little by little. Rest for 20 minutes. 1 packet of cream powder. Add enough milk. 1/4 cup of icing sugar. Knead it well. 1 pinch of vanilla. 1 pinch of any food color. Beat it well. Mix with 1 pinch of vanilla. Pour the mixture into the mug. Pour the mixture into the tawa. Spread with a spoon and leave for 1 minute. Remove when light brown. Down. Spread the cream with a spoon. Take it with nuts or something else. Roll it up. Pin it. Arrange with cream and chocolate as you like. After decorating, keep it in the fridge for 2 hours. After 2 hours, it looks delicious. The taste is sweet.